Hello everyone, this is Ash Artist here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment below. So today this is an art haul vlog. I will be showing you the art items or supplies that I got. Finally restocked on my art supplies and I can get back into the art game because I have been so limited for so long. I have been using blue paint. That was the only paint I had left, but finally I planned myself. I restocked on more art supplies and I'm ready to get into that art game again. So let me just let's dive right into the art haul or art unboxing these art supplies. Yeah. So this is the box or package in which my art supplies came in, and I'm just going to cut it open, and I'm so excited, just to view these art supplies. It's been a long wait and they're finally here, and I'm just so excited to get back into that art game. Yeah. Yeah, so the first thing I saw on top was this form. I think, yeah, it's a receipt or invoice form of all the items that I bought. Yeah, so let's now unbox the items. The first is this Faber paint. It's a gold paint. Yeah, I purchased a gold paint because I'll be doing most of my paintings in the color gold. I'll be using that color a lot. The next is this Fevicryl cadmium yellow. I'm not sure, cadmium yellow. Yeah, cadmium yellow. Yeah, so it's a primary color. I made sure to order the primary colors first. And then this Fevicryl blue. It's, I think, Prussian blue. Yeah, so this is also a primary color. So I'll be doing a lot of color mixing, to get the secondary colors and also other colors. This is the red, brilliant red. It's also another primary color. Yeah. So these are all the Fevicryl colors I ordered. Each of them costed for 60 Kenyan shillings. So let's proceed to unboxing the other items. This is a Faber Castell green. This is a green color. Sorry, my camera did not capture that well. So that is a green, and this is the Van Dyck brown. So I'll be doing a lot of skin tone painting and all that, so I needed this Van Dyck brown. So that costed me to 30 Kenyan shillings, and they are all 180 ml. So I can't wait to use these two pieces. Now let's proceed to the other items. Actually, there are not much left. It's actually just the paint brushes. So I bought these Faber Castell paint brushes. They were going for, I think, 280 Kenyan shillings. So there are 4 pieces. And then I also bought this other set. It's also 4 pieces. I don't remember the cost. I think it was 230 Kenyan shillings actually. Yeah, 230 Kenyan shillings. I also bought charcoal sticks. As you can see, it costed me 220 Kenyan shillings. Those are just charcoal sticks for charcoal art. And I also bought this fan brush because I've been planning to buy it for the longest time, so I had to get it. So that's all I got. Basically, that's all I got. For these paint brushes, like as you can see, I decided to get four flat brushes. Sorry, 4 flat brushes, and I also decided to get this fan brush, and the other brushes are round brushes. Yeah, so the other brushes are round brushes. These are just flat ones, and they are all synthetic. So you guys, can you see like the paint brushes that I was using before? Like, oh my god, what is this? Like, this is such a disgrace to like all artists out there. Like, I was embarrassing you guys. Like, what is this? So this need to go. They just need to, oof, they need to go. I also got this vinyl silk paint in the color white and in the color black. And I also got canvas. I got 3 pieces. I'm going to add more eventually with time. I got 3 pieces. So one is 50 by 70 centimeters. Actually, this one is 50 by 70 centimeters, and the other ones are 60 by 80. Yeah, 60 by 80 centimeters. So the other ones are quite big. They're 60 by 80 centimeter because I decided to go big or go home. There's no in between. I'm just going big, you know. I need to do big paintings from now on. So that's the deal. I also got this easel. Woo, finally a girl got an easel, because I've been planning for the longest time. I need to get an easel stand. And finally I got one. So I will be doing paintings from here. I can now finally draw from different areas in the house with no problems, because I don't have to draw from the table anymore. So yeah, you know, that's the drill. I'm so excited. Like, I can't wait to use this easel. It is 160 centimeters. Yes, 160 centimeters. So I'm just going to arrange all my art supplies like right there, so like I can show you the full view of everything that I got. Yeah, so I'm just going to do a simple arrangement, put the Faber paints together, the Faber Castell paints together. By the way, I didn't mention, I've never used the Faber Castell paints, acrylic paints, so this will be my first time, and I'm just hoping that it's actually good, because Faber-Castell is actually a renowned brand, but I have mostly used their polychromos colors and their charcoal pencils, but I've not used their paints, so I'm just hoping it's going to be like also good. But I believe in this brand. I believe the paint is going to be awesome. But in the industry, in the acrylic paint industry, I don't know if it's an industry or whatever, the Fevicryl is usually among the best, Fevicryl. So that's why I purchased, but they were quite expensive. I couldn't purchase all the colors to be from the Fevicryl brand. That's why I purchased 2 from the Faber-Castell, and I'm just going to restock more. Yeah, once I get more cash, I will restock on the Fevicryl paints, because I need to add more colors. I'm planning on buying silver, you know, different shades of skin tone colors, you know. Yeah, so yeah, just more paint from this brand. So these are all my art items. You don't know, you can't imagine the joy I feel. Like, I've been planning for the longest time to do an art haul, and like I've been saving up, because art items are not cheap, especially the easel stand. Oh my god, it looks so simple, but it is quite expensive, and I'm just so proud of myself that finally I got this stand and these other art items. And you know, I've been so hard on myself as an artist, limiting the supplies that I have, and you know, it's been reflecting on my art. I've not been producing quality good art. Yes, I've been producing good art and everything, but I've been kind of limited on the type of art I do, because I've not been having all the like various art supplies that I need. So right now I'm just going to be producing good art after good art, you know, bomb after bomb. I'm going to be experimenting with different art styles, because right now I got all I need. So I'm just so happy. I'm so happy. You can't imagine the joy that is in my heart. Finally, I feel like I'm really taking my talent and my art career seriously, you know, just buying all this stuff and getting ready to get back into the art game. So bye guys, I'll see you in my next video.